friends, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and today we are closing out and resetting up my wallet for the new pay period. And I actually already took everything out of my wallet, so we can go ahead and stuff those in the envelopes that they go into. So I'm setting that to the side, and I only had 26, let me see if I can put that up there. I only had $26 left over. So is 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I do apologize if you do hear the noise going on. That is something downstairs. I'm not sure what. I do live above a commercial garage, so sometimes there's just noises, and I can't wait forever for it to go away. So we are doing with the gas. That's actually going to go back into my wallet. That came out of my oops, and normally I put those into anything that is left over in my oops goes to savings challenges. However, I do have some traveling I have to do over the next couple of months, so I am going to need gas money. So I'm just going to stick it in my gas envelope. So $20, $35, $40, and $45 in gas. Currently, okay, we're going to put that out of the way. And we are going to stuff this. Was left over in my grocery envelope. So that is going into grocery savings. Let me get a pen. So that is not accurate. We're going to do 10, 25 plus 6. So we have a total of $6 in grocery savings. Okay. And then I am going to be pulling out money for my wallet for the next 2 weeks, and I am giving myself a budget of $300 for both weeks. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 30, 5, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 300. Let me put this back here and recount to make sure that came out correctly. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, $300. All right, so don't need this anymore. Go ahead and put it up. Okay, so we're going to split this into 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 100, 10, 10, 10, 10, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, and 5. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 25, 35, 45, 150. That is going into my second week cash envelope. Great. And the rest of this will go into my wallet for this week. Okay, so I'm going to put 50 into groceries. Let's do 25 in house. And 30 in thrift. Let's do 15 in fun. And 25 in oops. Okay, that is going to be my wallet refresh for this pay period. I will see you in the next video for this pay period, which will be sinking fund stuffing. Yay, it's first time in quite a while I've been able to do this, so I'm excited. I will see you then. Bye.